In this video, we'll show you how to turn off automatic software updates on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first head to the settings app, scroll all the way down and then tap on software update. Now here tap the three dot icon at the top and then go to auto download. Now here by default it will be set to Wi-Fi only. Simply set it to never so that your phone never downloads software updates on its own. Next, what you need to do is go to about phone. Here tap on software information and here tap the build number rapidly for 7 times. So this will help you unlock the developer options menu. Once you see this developer options menu in the settings app, simply tap on it. Here you need to scroll down and then turn off this auto update system option. Once you turn it off, your Samsung phone will no longer download or install updates on its own. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.